In this video, I'll show you how to add a submenu in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and in here you want to make sure website is selected. Under website, you want to click on pages, and on the pages section, this is where you can see all of the pages that you have. To create a submenu, what you want to do is simply head over to your main navigation, and on the right hand side, click on the plus sign to add a new page to the main navigation. From here, you'll be taken to add a page, and on the left hand side, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, and in there you will find the drop down. Simply click on the drop down, and in here, you can name this into however you want it to be. Let's say we want to name this into our services page. Now, what you can do is add the menus in which you want to add as a submenu. So on my not linked pages, I want to add the services page to the coming soon page. To do that, simply hold the page and drag it within the services or the dropdown. Once you do that, it will automatically be added as a submenu. And if you hover your mouse on the services, you will see that there is a submenu down below. You can also add a new page within the dropdown, and to do that, simply click on add a page at the bottom of the dropdown. And in here, you can add all of the pages in which you want. Let's say I want to add a services under the services page, and that will automatically be added within the dropdown. Now, if we hover our mouse onto the services, you will automatically see that we have two submenus within it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.